Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So I'm at a Dollar Tree at a different location, not too far from my house and close to my mom. So I thought we'd walk around and take a look at what they have. Their store is a little bit bigger than the one by me, and I thought I'd take you with me, guys. Come on. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. So I do have a main channel, and it's called the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And over there I do some hauls, I do some DIYs, I do tablescapes, I do quite a bit of stuff over there. I think that you would enjoy the content, and I would love for you to head on over there and support my channel. I'm always at the Dollar Tree, not only to see what they have, because their stuff is really coming in much nicer. They're really ramping it up. But I'm mostly coming for craft supplies, and I love taking you with me. So you're going to see a lot of Dollar Tree hauls and the Dollar Tree shopping on this channel, guys. Now remember, I do shop in other stores, mostly budget-friendly stores. So with that being said, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'm going to see you at the end. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.